Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have these cool amazing powder right here in my hand, if you can see. Basically what these are some instant noodles that you can use. They have different versions. So let me show you guys the ones I have right here first, and I'll show you guys the other ones right here. So right here in my hand there's a total of 4 of these instant noodle bowls. That basically all you guys have to do is add the sauce packet inside, and then you just add some boiled water into it. The first one that we have right here is the artificial lemon chicken flavor. If you guys see right here, I tell you guys that's artificial lemon chicken flavor. Next one that we have right here is the black pepper crab flavor. If you guys can see it right there. The third one that we have right here is the tom yum flavor. You guys see right there. And then the last and final one that we have right here is the beef flavor. You guys can see, and they're all by the same brand. So these are the 4 different flavors in terms of the instant noodle bowls that all you have to do is add the sauce packet inside and then add the hot water in, and you guys are all set. But they do have the ones where it's also instant noodles but not in the bowl. So the first one that we have right here is their artificial pork flavor. You guys see right here. And next one that we have right here is the artificial lemon chicken flavor here. So this one's basically the instant noodle version, except this is not in the bowl. For this one, all you guys have to do is you just have to put it into a bowl and add in sauce packet and water inside and let it cook for roughly around 3 or 4 minutes, and then you guys can actually eat it right afterward, which is pretty awesome. So that's the way how they recommend you guys cook the instant noodles that's not in the bowl, but you guys can also use a stovetop if you guys want to, but most likely it's better to follow their instructions, and that's what they recommend. And then last and final one that we have right here, I believe is the shrimp flavor. You guys can see right here. So this one's very unique and different design than other ones, which is pretty cool. But basically for all the instant noodles that we have in terms of the package itself, all you guys have to do is just put it into a bowl, add in the sauce packet, add in the hot water, and you guys can actually eat it. If you guys want to, you guys can add in your own eggs, your own vegetable, meat, shrimp, or you guys can add whatever you guys want to make it look more special and taste more flavorful in certain ways depending on what you guys want to eat. So that's basically everything that I wanted to show you guys. So there's the instant noodle bowl versions, and then there's the instant noodle where it doesn't have the bowl, but it's the same kind of concept where you guys can actually make it yourself and just have it on the side, or you guys can use a stovetop for the ones that I mentioned right here. So I actually tried all these out already, so let me actually show you guys a few of the videos or pictures of how it looks like. So let me actually show you guys right now. So you can see from the video or the picture itself, it looks amazing. I love the fact how the noodles are all really long, if you guys can see. It's so easy to do a noodle lifting picture if you guys saw from the pictures and videos. And the taste for each one of these noodles tastes amazing. Obviously it won't have the same kind of flavor that you guys would expect from the actual dish. So for example the tom yum soup, it won't have the same kind of taste as the actual dish. But then it does have the same kind of flavor that tastes like it in certain ways. But just the whole idea of how this an instant noodle version is actually pretty cool, so you guys can just eat this whenever you guys want to. And you guys probably don't want to know which one's the most worth it or what's my favorite. For me, it's hard to say which one's the most worth it because everyone has their own taste. I might like something that you guys probably hate, or you guys love something more than me. You guys won't really know because everyone has their own taste bud. But if you guys want my opinion of which one I like the most out of everything here, if I had to pick one, it would most likely be the tom yum flavor and then the black pepper crab. Because you guys can definitely taste that little bit of the tom yum flavor and the crab flavor. The pepper flavor is not too overpowering for me when I tried it, but just the overall taste and the texture of the noodle is my favorite part of all of these packets right here. So regardless if it's this packet right here or if it's the instant bowls itself, the noodles itself is really tasty, if you guys can see from the actual pictures in the video itself. You guys are definitely paying for quality versus quantity for these noodles when you guys taste it. But now that we did a quick unboxing and testing on the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I definitely have to say that these are pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for some quality noodles. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to use one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have